What's good, guys? This is the Matt Lane Producer Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to import an MP3 into FL Studio. It's very easy. You can just drag it into FL Studio. So say my MP3 file is right here. So you see an MP3. You can just hold it, click it, hold it, and then drag it right into FL. Boom. Let's show that again. Let's pick a different one and drag. Boom. Okay, there's another way to do it, which I'll show real quick, and that's by options, file settings. Find the folder that you have the MP3 saved to. So mine is here. I've already selected it. You click select folder. I already have that folder on the file list here. And then when you do this, it appears in the browser. So if you refresh the browser, you'll see the folder for me is Hiverse, and then you'll see like the same MP3 file already there. So that's useful if you're like have like multiple MP3 files, or you're using drum kits or something like that. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. That is how you import an MP3 in FL Studio. Before we go, be sure to check out our music producer starter kit. There's a link in the description. Check out the links in the description. Link in the comments as well. This resource speaks for itself. It's just like a bunch of equipment and things we recommend to really get up to speed quickly, to learn music production quickly and effectively. Again, some of recommended equipment, 10 years experience on my end, and plus the other producer I work with, 10 years experience. So check that resource out. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.